Marshals are looking for the person flying a drone. I think I'm in trouble. Let's get out of here. I'll leave. I'll come back for you. We can't camp at the sand dunes because it's
so windy. So windy. Like ridiculously windy at Pismo Beach.
Even if we pin down everything,
we're still gonna blow away. It's ridiculous. We need a motorhome for that place.
It's windy as hell. To protect our eyes from the sand blasting. Oh well. Let's see what's happening.
That's a fail on my part. Not enough research, I guess. I just thought it'd be really cool to camp on the beach. Like right on the beach.
They said it's on and off, so we don't know where we're staying tonight. We could stay in the back of my truck.
And I'll have like the worst backache of my life.
I do have a inflatable bed that she bought for me that goes in the back seat. It perfectly fits right there. I'm sure if you've seen the vlog before.
Perfectly fits one person. I guess you're sleeping on top of me tonight.
Sleeping inside.
Emotional, damn it!
It's almost 4 o'clock and all the campsites are booked. We don't know where we're going. And we have 3 days. I don't know. Should we just go back to...
We just drove 6 hours. We're not going back to anywhere. The good news is we have each other. And that's all we need.
She has me.
That's right.
I don't have anybody.
Alright, we're gonna go eat this food real quick and we'll update you. 3 Tijuana tacos.
I got the carnitas. Here.
You may experience longer than normal wait times. Please stay on the line for the next available representative. Please hold. Your call will be answered shortly. We apologize for your wait. Your call is important to us. Please remain on the line for the next available representative.
1 eternity later.
We tried calling Reserve California to see if we could find us another campsite for tonight and tomorrow night, since the dunes aren't really going to work out for us. We sat on hold for about 25 minutes and then it reached their hours of operation and it hung up on us.
They just hung up? Wow!
So, I don't know guys, we might be sleeping in the truck tonight and tomorrow night. I don't know, we'll figure something out. I mean, we could always get a motel, but we went grocery already for camping, so everything's in the cooler. I mean...
If there's a will, there's a way.
What do you have to say about that, Hazel?
Yes. Babe, how many hands do you have? It has... Oh, God.
Patay! We're drive by California Highway Patrol. I'm not doing anything awesome, I swear.
We have to go find a place to stay. It's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
And we've been awake since 5 a.m.
Driving around, and we're trying to call other places.
Yeah, we don't know. Anyways.
Crap. Well, don't get pulled over with the camera on.
Why are you mad, bro?
Hey, it says they're authorized personnel only.
You're gonna go that way.
We might have found a spot.
Hey everybody, we think we found a campsite for a couple of nights. We drove about an hour from where we were. We are now
50 miles?
Yeah, we're now in San Simeon. So we think we found somewhere to stay for 2 nights.
Where should I drop an envelope? This is to let them know that we got here because it's already closed. So Jessica found this campsite. Is called, what is it called?
It's called HEARST San Simeon State Park. We got the last available campsite here for 2 nights. So no sandy beach for us, no windy ass go left. We are number 10, C10. And then we're gonna set up camp.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have is on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
Day 2.
I'm hungry and I'm chilly now, yeah. What are you cooking? Good looking?
Oh wow, talong. It's torta.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Hazel.
Just pepper. Fire marshals are looking for the person flying a drone. I think the mini doesn't count. I think I'm in trouble. Let's get out of here. I'll come back for you. Actually, I was just kidding. They're just taking a break. We need to get out of here.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting. Then came you. I thought I was what I'm told. I thought I was.